You've probably been told since you were a kid that if you just show her how much you care, she'll stay. That if you're patient, attentive, and always there when she needs you, she'll eventually see your worth. But here's the part nobody tells you. Attraction doesn't grow in comfort alone. It's not the constant good mornings. It's not the instant replies. It's not even the reassurance that you're always there that makes her think about you when you're gone. It's the spaces in between. It's the unanswered questions. It's the tiny, invisible gap between wanting and having. And if you don't create that gap, if you give her all of you right away, you rob her of the very thing that makes attraction magnetic: curiosity. So today, I'm going to share with you 8 shifts, subtle, quiet changes that make her think about you even when you're not around. And if you apply them, she won't just remember you, she'll wonder about you. First thing, don't show all your emotional cards at once. Most men think vulnerability means telling her everything. Your fears, your history, your dreams, your regrets. And while openness is beautiful, dumping your whole life story too soon is like giving her the ending of a movie in the first 5 minutes. The truth? The human mind bonds through progressive discovery. When she has to earn each layer of you, she starts valuing those layers. But if you hand over every detail on day 1, there's nothing left to explore. Think of it like music. A song is only beautiful because it has rhythm, pauses, and the build-up. If it was just one long note, you'd turn it off. You want her leaning forward, not leaning back. Second thing, don't rush to fill every silence. Most men are terrified of silence, in conversation, in texting, even in the pauses between seeing each other. But here's the thing, silence isn't emptiness, silence is space, and space is where thoughts start to form. If you fill every gap with your presence, your words lose weight. The man who can sit in silence without panicking, who can let a text reply take hours instead of minutes, sends a subconscious signal. I'm comfortable in my own world. I don't need to fill space just to keep you. And that makes her start to fill the silence herself, with thoughts about you. Third thing, build a life that competes with her attention. If your entire mood changes the moment she texts, if your day is empty unless she's part of it, she can feel it. No woman wants to be with a man whose whole existence orbits her. She's drawn to the man whose life is already full of passion, of goals, of friendships, of personal growth. When you have a life that's already rich without her, she has to find her place in it. And that process, that wondering where she fits, builds desire. The man who is always available isn't a prize. The man who's selective with his time is. Fourth thing, let her feel the gap between wanting and having. Every human craves what's just out of reach. If she knows every time she reaches for you, you'll drop everything to be there instantly. There's no chase, no effort. And here's the secret, effort creates value. The things you cherish most are the ones you had to work for. When she almost has you, but not completely, her mind kicks into effort mode, and when she invests effort, her attachment grows. Don't always close the gap immediately. Let her lean forward, let her wonder, because attraction lives in the space between I want him and I have him. Fifth thing, hold emotional tension instead of rushing to fix it. This is one of the hardest things for men to learn. When she's upset, distant, or uncertain, your instinct is to fix it now, to make it better instantly. But here's the truth. Attraction is built in the moments of uncertainty you allow to exist. If you can stay grounded in tension without scrambling to smooth it over, you show emotional strength. It tells her, I can handle your storms. I don't break when the wind blows. And that steadiness, that calm, is addictive. The men she forgets are the ones who try to make her feel safe too fast. The men she obsesses over are the ones who could stand in the fire and not flinch. Sixth thing, never be emotionally predictable. If she can map your patterns like a bus schedule, if she knows exactly when you'll text, what you'll say, and how you'll react, you've become background noise. Desire needs surprise, not big dramatic changes, but small unpredictabilities. Reach out when you want to, not because you feel you have to. Be warm one day, a little more reserved the next. Not to play games, but to keep the rhythm of your connection alive. When she can't quite predict you, she has to keep paying attention, and that attention is the oxygen of attraction. Seventh thing, keep your validation rare. Most men think the fastest way to a woman's heart is endless praise, but when every outfit is beautiful and every word is amazing, your approval loses value. Instead, let your compliments feel earned, not because you're cold, but because your words carry weight. If she doesn't get your praise automatically, she'll start doing more to get it. And when you finally give it, it'll feel like a reward, not a routine. That's how you make her truly feel your approval, by making sure it means something when she gets it. Eighth thing, be willing to walk away, even if you want her. This is the anchor of everything I've said. If she senses you'll stay no matter how she treats you, she'll stop trying. But if she feels you have boundaries, that your respect for yourself outweighs your desire for her, she'll rise to meet you. It's not about ultimatums, it's about truth. A man who can walk away is a man who doesn't lose himself in the process of wanting someone else, and that quiet strength is magnetic. Attraction isn't about giving her more of you, it's about giving her just enough to make her want more. It's about having a life so full that she has to earn her place in it, holding your ground in tension, and creating a rhythm that keeps her leaning forward. When you stop trying to convince her to choose you, you become the man she chooses on her own. Because obsession isn't born in comfort, it's born in curiosity, in tension, in the space between. And when you master that space, you don't just win her attention, you become unforgettable.